થોડું સેટિંગ નહીં થયું.
ચાલે એટલું બોર્ડ
હે?
ચાલે આટલું
પટ્ટું પર નહીં આવે?
ચાલશે. મારે કઈ લાઈવ ક્લાસ લેવો, રેકોર્ડિંગ ક્યાં કરવું?
Hello. Good morning. Are you getting my voice? Open your mic. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me start our class. Okay. Okay. Hello. You need to write your roll number and division. Okay. In chat box. I already had your attendance. So let me start. In previous lecture, we discussed how to balance chemical reaction. Okay. Now, in today's lecture, we discuss type of chemical reaction. So, our today's topic is types of chemical reaction. Okay. So, based on product and reactant type, chemical reaction are classified as, our first type is combination reaction. Combination means to combine. Okay. When you have more than one reactant, okay, and this reactants produce only single product. Such type of reaction are known as combination reaction. So in combination reaction, reactants are two or more than two, while we have only single products. Okay, such type of reaction are known as combination reaction. The best example of combination reaction is production of water from hydrogen and oxygen gas. As we know that when hydrogen and oxygen gas combine, it form water. Here see the number of reactants are type 2, okay, and types of product 1, okay. Only single type of product are formed in this reaction. So this reaction is known as combination reaction. So in combination reaction, two or more than two reactants are combined and form single product. Okay. Now, another type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Okay, decomposition reaction. Second type, decomposition reaction. So decomposition means during decomposition reaction, what happens? Our reactant convert into more than one product. Okay, if you have single reactant A and if it gives more than one product, for example B plus C, okay, This one is our reactant and this one is our product. So during this reaction, see, one reactant is converted into two products. So this reaction is known as decomposition reaction. So in decomposition reaction, one reactant is consumed and produce more than one products. Okay. So decomposition, to break any element we require energy. Okay. So on basis of type of energy, the decomposition reaction are further classified as thermal decomposition reaction, light decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition reaction, light decomposition reaction, and electrical decomposition reaction. Okay. So to break any reactant molecule, if you use heat, okay, fire, then such type of reaction are known as thermal decomposition reaction. Okay. The best example of thermal decomposition reaction is when you put AgBr solution, okay, or you can say when you decompose CaCO3, okay, calcium carbonate, solution of calcium carbonate, when you apply heat to calcium carbonate, it forms calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So this is example of thermal decomposition reaction, as we use heat to decompose this calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. Another decomposition is light decomposition. In light decomposition reaction or photo decomposition reaction, light decomposition reaction is also known as photo decomposition reaction. So photo decomposition reaction, the best example of photo decomposition reaction is when you put Ag in presence of light, a bromine gas is liberated and we will get silver. Okay, pure silver. Okay, so gray color, initially we have white color compound and it turned to gray, okay, due to light. So this one is the example of light decomposition reaction, and the last one is electrical decomposition reaction. In electrical decomposition reaction, we use electricity to break a reactant into more than one products. Okay, so the example of electrical decomposition is decomposition of water molecule to get hydrogen and oxygen gas. That we already know that when water decompose in presence of electricity, it gives hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay, so this one is an example of electrical decomposition reaction. So in your syllabus you have to remember all three type of decomposition reaction. First one is thermal decomposition reaction, which use heat to decompose or to break our reactant. Second one is light decomposition reaction. So in this we sunlight, okay. And third one is electrical decomposition reaction, and for this we use electricity. Okay. Hope you understand these topics. Now combination, decomposition. Now type is subtype, that is exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Okay, it is a subtype of this chemical reaction, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Okay, so say exothermic reaction. Now, exo means out, thermic means temperature, or we can say heat. Okay, so from name we can write definition of this reaction, that a reaction in which heat is evolved, heat is produced, are known as exothermic reaction. Okay, suppose you mix component A and B, and after mixing these two components you will get product C. Also, when you feel the temperature of that container, it is warm. Okay, means here temperature is increased. When you mix these two components, temperature of the mixture will increase. So this type of reaction are known as exothermic reaction. So exothermic reaction are the reaction in which heat is produced during course of reaction. Okay, the best example is, you already know, quicklime, that is CaO. Okay, આપણે જે ચૂનો કહીએ છીએ, when you mix quicklime and water, it form calcium hydroxide, that is known as, this one is our quicklime, this one is our slacklime. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take one beaker. In this beaker you have to add calcium oxide, quicklime, and water. So after mixing these two components, if you feel the temperature of this beaker, it is little bit warm. Okay, because heat is produced during formation of CaOH twice. So this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. ભરી ગઈ મૂકી કાલે તો હું લઈને આવીશ ને. Okay, so this one is known as exothermic reaction. So in exothermic reaction, what happen? Energy or heat is produced, okay, during course of reaction. Our next type is endothermic reaction. Our second type is endothermic reaction. So what is endothermic reaction? So you know, if you want to make pulao, what you have to do, you have to take one container, water and rice, and you have to apply heat. Okay, so for this process you require heat. Okay, so cooking food is a endothermic reaction, because to produce to make this reaction we have to apply heat. Okay, so a reaction in which heat is required to complete any process or to complete any reaction are known as endothermic reaction. Okay, for example, if you want to dissolve more salt or sugar in water, then you have to apply heat, or you have to boil that water for a simple amount of salt and dissolve. This process is known as endothermic reaction. Why? Because for heat. Okay, if you not apply heat, then small amount of sugar dissolve. Rest of other are settle at bottom of that container. Okay, so endothermic heat is required. These are the type or subtype of chemical reaction. So in this lecture we already complete combination reaction, subtype of combination and decomposition, that is exothermic and endothermic. Our third type of reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. displacement reaction or replacement reaction are the reaction in which more reactive element replace less reactive element. Okay, so the general form of this reaction is AX plus B gives BX plus A. Okay, here the position of A is replaced by B, and it happens only when the reactivity of B is more compared to A. કોમન એક્ઝામ્પલ જો આપણે જોવું હોય એનું, તો સપોઝ તમારા ક્લાસમાં બેન્ચીસ પર બે બોયઝ અહીંયા બેઠા છે, ઓકે, અને બંને બોયઝ કેવા છે, એમનું હાઈટ બોડી બહુ ઓછી છે. એ ટાઈમે જો કોઈ હેવી બોડી વાળો કોઈ બોયઝ આવ્યો તો એ શું કરશે, એ આને ઇઝીલી એની જગ્યા પરથી ઊભો કરી શકે. કેમ? કેમ કે આની જે બોડી અને વેટ છે એ વધારે છે, એ દાદાગીરી કરીને એને ત્યાંથી ઊભો કરી શકે. ઓકે, બટ આની જગ્યાએ જો બેન્ચીસ પર બે હેવી બોયઝ બેઠા હોય અને કોઈ હલકો બોયઝ આવે તો એ એને રિપ્લેસ ના કરી શકે. કેમ? કેમ કે આની બોડી એટલી કેપેબલ છે જ નહીં કે બીજાને પેલાને ઊભો કરી શકે. સેમ વે ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ રિએક્શનમાં પણ એવું કે એ જ એલિમેન્ટ બીજા એલિમેન્ટને રિપ્લેસ કરે જ્યારે એની રિએક્ટિવિટી કેવી હોય, બીજા કરતા કેવી હોય, વધારે. ઓકે, વધારે સ્ટ્રોંગ હોય, રિએક્ટિવિટી એની વધારે હોય તો જ એ રિપ્લેસ કરી શકે. અધરવાઇઝ this reaction not happen. Okay, so displacement reaction is a reaction in which more reactive element replace less reactive element. Okay, કયા એલિમેન્ટ્સ કોને રિપ્લેસ કરશે એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. એની આખી સિક્વન્સ છે, એ સિક્વન્સ હું તમને મોકલી દઈશ. ઓકે, so that's all for today's lecture. Now you can leave.
Thank you.